Have you ever looked at an empty corner in your home and wondered why it always feels unfinished? Most people focus on furniture, wall art, and lighting, but they often overlook one of the easiest ways to transform a space: plants. The right plant can turn a dull corner into a vibrant focal point that instantly makes a room feel warmer, fresher, and more inviting. The best part? You don't need perfect lighting or expert gardening skills to make it happen. Some indoor plants are incredibly adaptable and thrive in a variety of conditions, even in neglected corners. In today's video, we're counting down 8 amazing corner plants that can flourish almost anywhere in your home. Stay until the end to discover the toughest and easiest plant of them all. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is one of the most reliable houseplants you can place in a corner. Its tall, upright leaves create a striking vertical accent that naturally draws the eye upward, making any room feel larger and more stylish. Snake plants are famous for their ability to tolerate a wide range of conditions, from bright indirect light to low-light corners. They require very little water because their thick leaves store moisture, making them perfect for busy homeowners. Their clean architectural shape complements modern, minimalist, and traditional decor styles alike. Whether placed in a bedroom, office, or living room corner, this plant adds instant elegance with minimal maintenance. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Number 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is often called one of the easiest indoor plants to grow, and for good reason. Its glossy dark green leaves reflect available light beautifully, helping brighten up dim corners and forgotten spaces. This hardy plant thrives in low-light conditions where many other houseplants struggle. It also stores water in underground rhizomes, allowing it to withstand occasional mist waterings without complaint. The ZZ plant's upright growth habit creates a neat, polished appearance that fits perfectly in modern homes and offices. Because it grows slowly, it won't quickly outgrow its location. If you're looking for a low-maintenance plant that remains attractive year-round, the ZZ plant is an outstanding option for nearly any indoor corner. Number 3. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa is the ultimate statement plant for anyone wanting to make a bold impression. Its large, dramatic leaves with natural splits and holes instantly create a tropical atmosphere that transforms ordinary corners into lush green retreats. While monsteras prefer bright indirect light, they are surprisingly adaptable and can thrive in medium light areas as well. As the plant matures, its iconic foliage becomes larger and more impressive, creating an eye-catching display. A monstera can quickly become the centerpiece of a room without requiring excessive care. Pair it with a decorative planter to elevate its visual impact even further. For homeowners seeking a stylish, trendy plant that adds personality, Monstera deliciosa is hard to beat. Number 4. Peace lily. The peace lily combines beauty, elegance, and practicality in one stunning package. Its rich green leaves and graceful white flowers bring a sense of calm and sophistication to any corner. Unlike many flowering houseplants, peace lilies can bloom indoors even when light levels aren't ideal. They are also excellent at signaling when they need water, as their leaves gently droop before quickly recovering after watering. This makes plant care surprisingly simple, even for beginners. Peace lilies are perfect for bedrooms, offices, reading nooks, and living rooms where a peaceful atmosphere is desired. Their compact yet lush growth habit helps soften empty spaces while adding a fresh, natural touch that enhances almost any interior style. Number 5. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a fantastic choice for filling larger corners with bold greenery. Its thick, glossy leaves create a dramatic look that instantly adds character and sophistication to a room. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light, but adapt well to various indoor conditions. As they mature, they can grow into impressive indoor trees, making them ideal for corners that need vertical interest. Their sturdy structure creates a strong visual presence without feeling overwhelming. Regular pruning allows you to control their size and encourage fuller growth. Whether your home features contemporary, industrial, or classic decor, the rubber plant blends seamlessly into the space. It's a beautiful option for anyone seeking a statement plant with timeless appeal. Number 6. Dracaena marginata. Dracaena marginata, commonly known as the dragon tree, is perfect for narrow or awkward corners where space is limited. Its slender trunk and long arching leaves create an elegant silhouette that adds height without taking up much floor space. This plant thrives in low to medium light and requires only occasional watering, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. Its unique shape introduces movement and texture into a room, helping corners feel more dynamic and visually appealing. Dracaena is also known for its resilience and adaptability, making it a great choice for beginners. Whether placed beside a sofa, desk, or entryway, this graceful plant brings a sophisticated touch to indoor spaces. Number 7. Parlor Palm. The Parlor Palm has remained a favorite houseplant for generations thanks to its timeless beauty and easygoing nature. Its soft, feathery fronds instantly create a tropical, relaxing atmosphere that makes any room feel more welcoming. This plant performs well in low to medium light, making it an excellent option for corners that don't receive direct sunlight. Unlike some larger palms, the Parlor Palm grows slowly and stays manageable indoors. Its graceful foliage softens sharp lines and hard surfaces, helping create a balanced and comfortable environment. Whether decorating a small apartment or a spacious living room, the Parlor Palm adds natural elegance and charm without requiring extensive care or attention. Number 8. Pothos. Pothos is one of the most versatile and adaptable houseplants available. Its trailing vines can cascade beautifully from tall planters, climb support structures, or spill over shelves placed in corners. This fast-growing plant thrives in a wide range of lighting conditions, from bright indirect light to lower light areas. Pothos is also highly forgiving, making it perfect for beginners who may occasionally forget to water. Its heart-shaped leaves come in several attractive varieties featuring shades of green, yellow, and cream. Because it grows quickly, it can transform an empty corner into a lush focal point in a relatively short time. Few plants offer such impressive results with so little maintenance. Those are 8 incredible corner plants that can thrive almost anywhere in your home. Whether you're working with a bright living room, a shaded bedroom, or a small apartment corner, there's a plant on this list that can help transform the space. From the nearly indestructible snake plant and ZZ plant to the bold beauty of Monstera and rubber plant, each option offers its own unique style and benefits. Adding greenery is one of the simplest ways to make your home feel more vibrant, relaxing, and inviting. Which of these corner plants is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more plant inspiration.